In this video, inshallah, I want to study together 4.4 direct variation. The word variation means change. The word variation means the change. Direct variation, whenever the x changes, the y also changes at the same time. So there is something called the slope that we were studying before. What is the slope? y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. This is the slope rule, or we call it the rate of change. Another name, constant of proportionality or constant of variation. The main rule in this section is y equals mx, where m is the slope. Y equals mx type. Let's see an example. The number of windows cleaned y varies directly with the number of hours the cleaners worked x. So y is the number of windows cleaned, x is the number of hours the cleaners worked. He's asking you to get or to write a direct variation equation, which is y equals mx. But you should find the m. What is m? Tries over run, or y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So here m equals, let's see at this point, what is x? X is 2. What is y? Y is 20. The other point, what is y? It is 40. What is x? It is 4. So at this point, this is the first point, so it has x1, y1. At the second point, it has x2, second point, x2, and the y is 40, y2. So m equals y2 minus y1. What is y2? The 40, minus y1, which is 20, over x2 minus x1. x2 is 4, minus x1, which is 2. 40 minus 20 is 20, over 4 minus 2 is 2. 20 over 2 is 10. So now the equation y equals mx. What is m? It's 10. So y equals 10x. He asked you to interpret its meaning. We should write the meaning. This means what? What is 20? This is 20, the number of windows. What is x? This is the number of hours, which is 2. 20 over 2 is 10 over 1. So this means 10 windows can be what? Can be cleaned in 1 hour. So this is the first idea of the questions. Example 2. The total number of scarves knitted varies directly with the number of days. 4 scarves require 6 days to knit. We want to write the direct variation equation, which is y equals mx. What is the constant of variation, and interpret its meaning? The constant of variation is the m. Here also in this question, if he asks you about the constant of variation, it is the m, which is the 10. So again, question 5. How many scarves? 4 scarves. 4 scarves knitted in how many days? In 6 days. 4 over 6, divide by 2 up, divide by 2 down. So it becomes 2 over 3. 2 scarves in 3 days. So what is this? This is the constant of variation, change in the number of scarves over the number of days. So we can say that m is equal to 4 over 6 is equal to 2 over 3, because he said varies directly, so the constant of variation is the m. Again, equation is y equals mx, so y equals, what is m? 2 over 3x. and this means 2 scarves are knitted in 3 days. Very good. Question 3 or example 3. The total cost of gas varies directly with the volume of gas. As shown in the table, write a direct variation equation to represent this relationship, then identify the constant of variation and interpret its meaning. So, again, what is m? It is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So here, if this is, of course, this is y, this is x, the number of dollars, y, x gallons. So here is y2, y1, y1, so x1, x1, y1, x2, y2. So let's subtract equals, which is the constant of variation, y2, 9, minus y1, 4.5, over x2 minus x1. We started with the 9, so I must start with the 4. So 4 x2 minus 2. 9 minus 4.5. What is 9 minus 4.5? 4.5 is the same like 4.50. 0 minus 0, 0. 0 minus 5 can't be borrowed. 8, 10, 5. Decimal as it is. 8 minus 4 is 4. So it is 4.50 or 4.5. 4 minus 2 is 2. 4.5 divided by 2, as if it's 4.50. 50 divided 2, 25. 4 divided 2 is 2. So now it's 2.25. And take care. This was dollars and this was gallons. So this means 2.25 dollars per gallon. This is the constant of variation. Interpret its meaning. The cost of 1 gallon of what? Gallon of gas, correct? Gallon of gas is $2.25. Thank you so much. Please solve the other questions and let me know if you need any help.